All right, what's going on, guys? Benji Kaiser here, and I'm with Nikki Arnell. She's with the Arkansas State University, and today we're talking about graphic design education, online versus getting training at a university, and different ins and outs in the future of graphic design education. Okay. Yeah, because that's kind of what I've been seeing is, for me, I learned a lot of the foundations in school, graphic design fundamentals, hands-on stuff,
Yes.
where the people can be like, no, do it this way or do it that way.
Yeah.
But as I've continued to grow and to sharpen my individual skills, WordPress web design,
Yes.
Graphic design, logo design, and just staying up with times, online education is fantastic. But I
Yes.
still see so much merit in sitting down face-to-face with an instructor like yourself and just really learning in that respect. Now, if you don't have the money,
Right.
there's struggles there.
Right. But I don't want someone to think, well, I'm just going to do it online then and think there's open source and that's free.
Yeah.
But again, there's no, is it good, is it not good? And but a lot of things, what I really, 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 really don't want people out there looking to start their degree is to do something online when they've never been to a college before, they don't understand their time, and and the place they're going to does not have good accreditation. Really be careful of those online programs. Now, sometimes the availability issue is a matter of, look, I've got kids and a job, and I can't go over here and be a college kid again.
And that's what I've been noticing.
That was when I was doing online stuff.
Yeah.
But again, I had 2 degrees already.
Yeah, so I see it as more of this, let's say, 25 to 45-year-old range where they don't really have the option to go back to school.
Right.
And that's where these open courses are becoming such an opportunity for people to get new education and new skills.
Right. And again, for that, I would hope that online, just be careful of accreditation.
Yeah.
And I know I'm repeating myself, but also understand how much time commitment, just like as if you were going to
a classroom.
Yeah. When our classrooms are at least, in order to be accreditation in a certain amount of hours, your studio classes are for us 2 days a week, but they're 3-hour-long classes.
Yeah. So
and that's work outside of that.
Yeah.
So
set up a schedule for yourself.
Yeah.
If you're doing an online course, to do that every single day or 2 times a week, just like you would go to class.
Yep.
For sure, totally agree with that.
Right, and definitely try to make sure if you're doing an online thing that for the best you need to have some sort of community within the classroom where people are talking and
be able to have a discussion board.
Yeah.
Whether you get together with some friends or you find a Facebook group to really communicate with. Yeah.
Right.